Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. If you're looking for a small, mini, non-domestic septic tank, then the Cube septic tank is definitely for you. These septic tanks are made from the top quality black gold IBC. They're not those cheap white flimsy plastic IBCs that you see for sale on eBay and Amazon and stuff like that. These are top quality black gold IBCs. They're converted into septic tanks, and the reason why they're so popular is because they're only 1.2 meters tall. They're a full blown septic tank. They're light, so you can manhandle it into the hole yourself without the need for massive diggers, and they're very, very easy to install. They typically take about 30 minutes, 40 minutes to install. So if you'd like a small miniature non-domestic septic tank, then it's not hard to see why the Cube septic tank is one of the most popular selling septic tanks in the UK today. So if you'd like to know more information about the Cube septic tank, then just go to septictank.co.uk. That's septictank.co.uk.